Oh, hello everyone. This is Prashant Kumar Day. Today I'll be showing you how to hack an e-commerce site. Recently I've got many queries from all over the world saying that they can do the SQL injection or they can do the cross-site scripting attacks or many other attacks like RFID or etc. But the main question was that how can they hack into the e-commerce website and change the parameters? So today I'll be showing you how to do that. Before this, I would like to say you that this is just for an educational purpose. So please don't try until you have you have got a jail-free license, something like that. Unless you will be falling in the trouble, and don't blame me for that. So for this, we'll be using our sword, that is Pursuit Free Edition. Obviously we need to pay for this premium edition, so I won't be using the premium editions. For this, I have downloaded. You can download it from the Bubsol website, and then just it has a .jar file, and after downloading, you need to configure it first. Now, how to configure? First, move to proxy, then move to options, then try to add into this interface, that is want your localhost IP, and the port number should be 8080. Now let's move on to our Firefox. We'll configure it according to that. I move to the settings, then advanced settings, the network, and finally on the settings. So already I have configured the manual proxy setting. I have entered my localhost IP, the port number 8080, and I have used this proxy server for all the connection, that's SSL, FTP, whether it shocks, and make sure one thing, that there is nothing on this, no proxy for Telegram. So fine. So okay, and let's test whether it's working or not. So let's try to open any other website, google.com, or let's go. Oh, it's intercept off. I'll turn the intercept on. Now let's close this tab, start it once again, google.com. So it's loading. There are many of the times that people think that it's not loading. Maybe they start checking the internet connections, they feel like that there's a problem with the internet connections. But the thing is that they usually forget, that happens with most of us, that they use, actually the intercept is on, and this burp suit is intercepting all the traffic which is passing through your browser to the server. So what we need to do, we need to forward all this traffics to the server. From the browser to the server, I'm forwarding all this traffics, and gradually, look, finally it got open. Fine. So now let's move on to our main work. I'm sorry guys, many of you will be saying finding problem with my accent, so I won't be able to help you out with that. I will try to write out what I'll be speaking on my web. So let's find the vulnerable site. Already I have found the vulnerable site, as that is show. Uh, this is something very serious problem. Advanced shoes, I guess, if I'm not wrong with my address. And oh, again, look, I forgot to forward this, and so still not going. It's passing. Let's see. I got it. Fine, I will copy and get this for those my website. obviously this is for educational purpose. Don't blame me if you find yourself into any sort of trouble. Now what I'll be doing is, first let's forward all this traffic from the browser so that it can open. Fine. So for now, let me intercept off and let's go and browse any of the shoe. Uh, this one is very good. It has a free shipping. Oh, okay, goods. Wait, wait. Fine. So what I'll be doing now is I will start intercepting I will try to intercept all this traffic which is passing through this website from a web browser to the web server. So I will add this to my cart. So okay, fine. Let me collect the size. Let's search for random. I think it's my size. Now again I forgot to forward the stuff. Now while forwarding, let's look and look. I missed something. I guess I missed something. Look. As of now, what you can see is I have ordered and they have charged like yeah, its total amount, the cost is something, the free shipping fees something like this, and they have ordered something, the total sum. Now I'll try and hack into this and change this product subtotal and then this total amount. Fine. Let this its intercept is off, then let this again. Already have a hack in that system, so let's go and do this again. Now this time we'll change the parameters. Open, I got it. Fine. This intercept is on, and then I will select in random side. This stands for something like that, and fine. Add to this card. Now look this very carefully. What you can see, the cost is 93.77 USD, and our cost in the above suit is showing this one. So now I can manipulate this and say like, okay fine, we'll pay something like it's some 7 cents. Fine. Okay, now you want the quantity one. Now I'll order it two. No, fine, one is good. Should not be very big like this. Forward, let's forward this all this traffic. Forward. Let's see what is our the price cost is 93.77 USD. Subtotal was supposed to be this, but then our pricing is 0.77 USD. They have set the minimum shipping fees of 13 USD and the total amount is 13.77 USD. So instead of paying this 93.77 USD, you'll be paying 13.77 USD. So now this is why the thing is why surely this happened. In most of the site, like if you happen to be many of other sites like eBay, Flipkart, or Amazon, you won't find a vulnerability like this, because the thing is they have a double checking of their systems. Like if you happen to order something and they'll first check the pricing on the client side, then they will check the same calculate and check this pricing in the server side. When those prices are confirmed, then only it is being added to a cart and it is being displayed to you. But on this system, I mean this great1shoes.com, I find it's very great that it doesn't check the server side. It doesn't have any server side calculation system. So that's why we can easily change the parameter from the client side and then manipulate it. So you can find this type of vulnerabilities in many of the websites. I'm not talking about this the very famous website like eBay, Flipkart, Amazon, but there are many other websites. E-commerce, the e-commerce world is very spreading around. So you can find this type of websites, this type of vulnerabilities in many other websites. So I hope you must have enjoyed this session and you can continue shopping and check out or do something like that. Obviously, you can visit my YouTube channel for Let's Hacking and tips and tricks, and you can email me at prashantxavier@gmail.com. I'll type down for you, gmail.com. Oh, fine. Something's happened. So that's all for today's. Thank you and have a nice day.